Dr. Aniruddha Chatterjee researches epigenetics at the University of Otago. Epigenetics is the study of chemical instructions which attach themselves to our DNA in order to change the way that our cells function. Dr. Chatterjee's research has indicated that cancer may be manipulating these chemical instructions in order to gain access to and take over our cells.
When you think about genes and when you think about genomes and how our genome function, we always think about the sequences of the DNA or the letters of the DNA. But apart from that, there are a lot of the modification that does not alter the sequence or the code of the DNA itself, but they are external. So these marks are like bookmarks, if you like, while you read the book. And it instructs which page to read and how it's going to be read and so on. Just to explain briefly how epigenetics could be relevant to this cancer formation or progression. So the genes or the expression of genes get deregulated in cancer. We know that very well now. And the genetic sequence that I just mentioned, that could alter it by wrong basis that is getting incorporated in the DNA. But also epigenetic changes. So like I said, the methylation marks, if they change their position, or you had methylation marks, the bookmarks in certain part of a gene, and they are removed now, therefore you have an abnormal situation or abnormal epigenetic state, and that will allow aberrant expression of the gene or silencing of the gene. That means suppression of the gene, which is supposed not to happen in normal cell. Therefore, these abnormal epigenetic changes could make a normal cell transform into a cancerous cell and then progress to metastasis and so on. So if we know what those marks are that are changing this, then we will find a way hopefully to prevent it, because unlike genetic changes, epigenetic changes are reversible. You can change it, and that's the beauty of working on epigenetics.